What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a deposit on your Bybit account. For those of you that already have a verified Bybit account and you're trying to make deposit to buy crypto, I'm also going to be showing you how to make withdrawals and also how to transfer from your Bybit account to your broker to trade Forex, to whichever broker you want to trade from, and also how to withdraw from your broker to your Bybit, then withdraw from your Bybit to your bank account. So from any part of the world you are in, basically for this video I'm going to be using Naira to make this demonstration for those of you who have Naira accounts, those ones in Nigeria. Now for you to make deposit on Bybit, you just open your Bybit like this. But if you've not really opened your Bybit for a very long time, you have to do some verification after entering your password. I didn't have to enter my password and my email address because I just used Bybit recently, so I have not yet logged out. So here you can see my account interface. What you need to do is obviously click on deposit. There are so many deposit options. You can use P2P, deposit crypto, buy with Naira. If you want to buy with Naira with your Naira account, you have to put in your card details, your MasterCard, all those card pin and all that. Then if you have crypto ready, you want to deposit from crypto. Okay, this one now will have to do this when we want to withdraw from our exchange. If you already have money in your broker or you have money in another wallet or in another exchange, you can just do deposit crypto to transfer with a crypto address. But since you don't have that already, you want to deposit from your bank account, from your Naira account by transferring, use P2P trading. This P2P trading simply means you are transferring to somebody and the person will release the token you are transferring for. So it's just like a trade. I need USDT and you need cash. So you can find all these people here. These people are people who are selling their USDT. So you are a buyer, you just click on buy. But if you want to make withdrawal to your bank account, you click on sell. Let's say you already have money in your Bybit, for example. Like myself, I still have about $30 on my Bybit. If I want to make withdrawal on my Bybit, what I'll need to do is click on P2P and then click on sell. So since I am going to be selling my USDT for Naira, so if I send my USDT, they are going to transfer the money, or better still, they'll transfer the money to my bank account first before I'll release the token to them. That's what P2P simply means. It means you are exchanging with people. These are all these things you're saying, and these are real people's accounts, like people who are interested in selling their USDT. So if they are selling their USDT, in the other end you are a buyer. Once you want to make the deposit, just click on here that it says deposit, select P2P trading. What you need to do when you come to this P2P trading is to filter everything you're saying there. Just click on this place that says show verified advertisement or block trade merchants. Then this place that says show only eligible ad, just click on it. Then sort by overall sorting, confirm this, and it's going to filter. Now there are some of these accounts that are here that you're going to choose from that they will tell you that they cannot accept anything lower than 20 million or so. What you need to do is to go to this place that says amount, then enter the amount you want to buy. You want to buy with 20,000, enter 20,000. Click on confirm site to filter those people that can be able to sell to you at lower amount, because there are people that if it is not up to 5 million naira that you want to buy with, they are not interested in selling. So this is what you need to do. Just enter the amount you want to buy with, then select payment method. If you are making bank transfer, just click on bank transfer for Africa, or you click on OPay. These are the most popular ways people buy crypto. So just click on bank transfer, then confirm. So all these ones are still here. What you just need to do is look for the cheaper one and press buy. Okay, it says the value have exceeded the upper limit. So this person does not really have much of USDT to sell. So since this person has a lower USDT to sell, I've exceeded the limit. So if I should reduce this number now to 19,000, I believe it will go. Yeah, you see, it is not going to go. So if I should buy 19,000 USDT, I am going to be receiving 13.6132. This is what I'm going to be receiving. So what you just need to do is click on buy. Then what you're going to do is you're going to see the person's name, the bank, then the account number. What you just need to do is copy the account number to your bank account. Make the transfer, confirm the bank. This is it. I transfer the exact amount. Once you're done transferring, I'm not going to place any orders now. Once you're done transferring, you click on payment completed. Once you click on payment completed, the buyer will receive the alert and then the token will be released to you. Now I'm going to cancel this order because I've not made any transaction. So I'm going to cancel this order, and then after I make these purchases, it's actually going to reflect on your asset, your total asset. So that will be it on how to deposit with Bybit. So the next video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to transfer from your Bybit account to your broker account.